Hi everybody, this is Emily with the NetZoom team, here to talk to you about planning your changes in NetZoom. Properly managing and overseeing changes to your data center is crucial in reducing mean time to repair and increasing asset availability. NetZoom offers a special version of change management known as visual change management. With visual change management, users work interactively in NetZoom. They can visually see and review proposed changes, and work orders are automatically created that can be executed to commit the changes to the data center. NetZoom's plan mode gives you the ability to control moves, additions, and changes in your data center through a structured change management process of creation, modification, approval, and execution of one or more plans. In plan mode, changes made to site data centers are not permanent until they are executed. This allows managers to preview the impact of changes on the data center before committing to them. In this video, we'll go through the stages of plan mode in NetZoom. First, let's log into NetZoom. Enter your NetZoom application server URL in the web browser. Then enter your username and password. Plan mode in NetZoom starts with a change request. These requests are made under the user's My Task menu and delivered to the Change Desk feature, found under the Change Management tab in the Data Center menu. The Change Desk feature displays all change requests that are pending. Select a change request and click the Show Plans quick action to display any plan associated with the change request. Looks like this change request already has an executed plan, but we can make another one here as well. Click the plus icon and the Add Plan form will pop up. We'll name our plan accordingly. And the remarks look fine. We'll select a start date as today's date. And we'll select the end date for tomorrow. Make sure to select the correct time as well. If you want your plan to allow for connectivity, check Allow Connectivity here. The start date and end date are used to schedule the changes in the data center and will determine which approved changes from other plans will be loaded in NetZoom when the plan is open. This is also how NetZoom does conflict checking between plans. Click the Save button when finished. As you can see, the plan has been added to the change request. At this point, a change manager will be called upon to accept the plan. However, since this is just a demo, I'll accept it myself. Click the Select command list and click Accept Plan. Then click the Go button. Click OK, and edit any notes we need. In this case, we'll just add Request Accepted. Click the Add button, and our plan has now been accepted and has changed its status to Draft. Now that we've accepted our plan, let's hop over to the Edit Plan feature. This feature will let you open a plan and make changes to your data center. Select the plan you want to open and click the Open button. Once a plan is opened, you'll notice that the Data Center Explorer appears on the left pane. From here, we can make any changes to our data center if we need using the quick actions above. If Allow Connectivity is checked, we can even make connections using the Data Connectivity and Power Connectivity quick actions. For now, we'll simply add a device to this rack in row 101. Click the Devices quick action, which will launch a search menu similar to searching the device library, and we'll search in our new inventory for devices. Looks like we've got some servers here named Demo Servers. We'll open it up to the front and rear. This will allow us to properly mount our device, and we'll open the front side of A101 and drag the front view over for a simple front-to-front mounting. We'll put this one in RU30. Everything looks okay, so we'll click the Save button. And as you can see, the device has now been added to this rack. But remember, this is plan mode, so this change isn't live in the data center. Click this quick action to view work orders. As you can see, a work order has been created based on the device we just added. Add device and the mounting of the device. These work orders are automatically created as you make changes to your data center while a plan is open. You can even write your own custom work orders by clicking the plus icon. The Add Work Order form will pop up and you can add whatever you want here. This is great for changes that aren't reflected in NetZoom. Click the Add button and you can see the work order has been added. While the work order quick action is active, notice the Conflicts button. Clicking this button will automatically conflict check the work order steps in your plan. Conflict detection is necessary as plan mode implements scheduled changes that require approvals, and NetZoom's other change management modes do not. When performing conflict checking, each command is evaluated with respect to the current state of the data center and any approved plans that are not executed but have an execution date prior to the plan being checked. Commands without any conflict will show up with this green symbol. Looks like we don't have any conflicts. Nice. Click on the Select Command drop-down list and click Plan Pending Approval. Click the Go button, and just like when we accepted our plan, we'll add any notes if necessary. Plans pending approval can also be reviewed using the Review Plans feature. This feature allows users to access and view plans without offering the ability to make alterations. Change managers can approve plans using the Approve Plan feature. Plans must be marked pending approval in Edit Plan before they can be approved. Plans must be approved before they can be applied to finalize the changes in NetZoom. The Approve feature will list plans that are pending approval. You can review a plan by selecting it and clicking the Open button. This feature similarly allows you to review your work orders and conflict check. To approve a plan, follow the same steps you did to mark it pending approval. This time we'll select Approve Plan. Note that you can also reject the plan if you need to make further changes. Now that your plan has been approved, it's time to execute it using the Apply feature. This feature looks very similar to the Approve feature and operates in much the same way. To execute a plan, select it and click the Work Orders Quick Action. As you can see, our work orders have popped up. We can conflict check again, just like in other plans, but this time we have these check marks right here. You must conflict check your work orders before executing. Commands that are in conflict cannot be applied, so the condition causing the conflict needs to be resolved before applying the plan, or that step must be discarded. While we're on this screen, let's check the work orders we want to execute. Then, clicking the drop-down list, we can click Execute Plan and click the Go button. This will make any checked changes that don't have any conflicts live in the data center. You can also reject work orders by checking them and clicking Discard Plan, then clicking the Go button. This will discard any changes, and those changes will not be made live into the data center. Once all work orders are executed or discarded, the plan will be considered executed. Live changes are made to the site for each step that is executed as they are executed. This means that once a single step has been applied, the plan can no longer be deleted or rejected. Now that the plan is fully executed, we can mark the change request as complete. Navigate back to the change desk. Select the change request and click the Select Command drop-down list. Select Complete Request and click the Go button. The application will ask if you're sure, and if you click Yes, the change request will be marked as complete. That covers the basics of planned changes in NetZoom. Remember, NetZoom's plan mode is robust, and we've only scratched the surface of what it can do. Please check out our other videos for more tips on how to use the NetZoom product. And if you're interested in trying out NetZoom for your own data center, visit netzoom.com to schedule a free demo.